Want to know the secret to blowing up on TikTok in 2024? Well, sit tight, because we're about to dive deep into the world of TikTok, where every second counts and every post could be your ticket to stardom. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, understanding the mechanics behind your favorite platform is paramount. TikTok, with its quirky short videos and viral trends, is no exception. The secret sauce to TikTok's success, and potentially yours, is its powerful algorithm. This algorithm, like a skilled DJ, carefully curates a playlist of videos tailored to each user's taste. The TikTok algorithm has come a long way since its inception. Initially, it relied heavily on popular trends and hashtags, but as the platform matured, so did the algorithm. It now takes into account a plethora of factors like watch time, shares, follows, and even the tiny detail of whether a viewer watched your video till the end or swiped away halfway. So, the importance of understanding this algorithm cannot be overstated. But remember, the algorithm is only a tool. It's not the artist. The real artist is you. Your content is the heart of your TikTok journey. You could know the algorithm like the back of your hand, but without engaging content, your TikTok dreams may remain just that. Dreams. Creating content that resonates with your audience is key. It's about striking the right balance between what you love to create and what your audience loves to watch. This can mean hopping on the latest trend or carving a niche of your own. But whichever path you choose, authenticity is crucial. Users can smell inauthentic content a mile away, and it's a surefire way to lose their interest. The world of TikTok is vast and full of opportunities, but remember, it's not just about going viral overnight. It's about building a community, expressing your creativity, and most importantly, enjoying the journey. Next, we will uncover the first step to achieve TikTok success. So stay tuned, and let's navigate this exciting journey together. So, what's the first step to TikTok stardom? It's understanding your audience. Now, this might sound basic, but it's absolutely critical. Picture this: you're a chef, and you're cooking up a storm. But what if your guests are vegan and you're whipping up a juicy steak? It's a mismatch, right? Similarly, your content needs to cater to the tastes of your followers. Dig into your follower demographics. Are they teenagers, young adults, or perhaps a mature audience? Knowing this will guide the tone and style of your content. Also, explore their interests. Are they into fashion, fitness, food, or fun facts? Understand their likes to craft content that captivates and connects. Remember, your followers are more than just numbers. They're your community, your tribe. And the better you know them, the stronger your bond becomes. Once you grasp your audience's interests, it's time to create content that resonates with them. Now, you're ready to dive into the world of content creation. Content creation is the lifeblood of TikTok. It's the magic potion that can transform an ordinary user into a viral sensation. But not just any content will do. You need to create something unique, something that stands out in the crowded TikTok universe. Engaging content is like a magnet. It draws people in, keeps them watching, and compels them to share your videos with others. It's about making a connection, creating a moment that resonates with viewers. And the key to creating engaging content? Creativity and consistency. Creativity is about thinking outside the box. It's about looking at the world through a different lens and finding a unique angle. It's about blending humor, emotion, and surprise into a potent mix that captivates viewers. Don't be afraid to take risks, to experiment, to let your personality shine through. This is your chance to make a mark, to create something that's uniquely you. Consistency, on the other hand, is about showing up and delivering high-quality content on a regular basis. It's about building a relationship with your audience, earning their trust, and keeping them coming back for more. Remember, TikTok is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about one viral video, it's about creating a steady stream of engaging content that keeps your audience engaged and entertained. Now, let's talk about trending sounds and hashtags. These are the secret weapons that can catapult your content into the TikTok stratosphere. Trending sounds and hashtags are like a beacon, drawing viewers to your content. They're a way to ride the wave of popular culture, to tap into the zeitgeist, and to increase your visibility on the platform. So always keep an eye on what's trending and don't be shy about jumping on the bandwagon. With great content at your disposal, you're ready to move to the next step: optimizing your post timing. Timing is everything when it comes to TikTok. It's not enough to create fantastic content, you also have to post it at the right time. Your audience's activity dictates this optimal posting time. Imagine this: you've just whipped up a brilliant TikTok video. You're excited and eager to share it with the world. But what if your audience is asleep or busy? Your masterpiece may not get the attention it deserves. So, how do we find the sweet spot? The key is understanding your audience's activity. Are they most active in the morning, during lunch breaks, or in the evening? This can be different for every TikTok user based on their followers' demographics and behaviors. Remember, TikTok's algorithm favors videos that get immediate engagement. Posting when your audience is most active increases the chances of getting those crucial initial likes, comments, and shares. Now that you've mastered timing, let's move on to the importance of engagement. Scene script. Engagement is the key to blowing up on TikTok. Now you may be wondering, what does engagement even mean? Well, it's simply the interaction between you and your followers. It's the comments, likes, shares, and even the duets that happen on your TikTok page. And believe it or not, it's one of the most crucial aspects of growing your TikTok profile. But why is it so important? Well, TikTok's algorithm favors profiles with high engagement. So the more interaction you get on your posts, the higher the chances of your content being pushed out to more people. Cool, right? So how do you boost engagement? First off, interact with your followers. Respond to their comments, give them a like, or even follow them back. Show them that you appreciate their support. It's a small gesture that could mean the world to them. It's like saying, hey, I see you, and I appreciate you. Next, participate in TikTok challenges. These are a great way to connect with your followers and the TikTok community as a whole. It shows that you're in tune with the latest trends, and it gives you a chance to show off your creativity. Who knows? Your challenge video might even go viral. And last but not least, collaborate with other creators. This is a fantastic way to not only reach a new audience but also to learn and grow as a creator. It's like a win-win situation. You get to make new friends, learn new things, and boost your engagement. But remember, boosting engagement isn't just about getting more likes or comments. It's about building a community. It's about fostering a space where your followers feel seen, heard, and appreciated. So take the time to engage with your followers. Show them that you're more than just a face on their screen, but a person who values their support. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. Now let's wrap it all up. So, you've made it this far. Ready to take TikTok by storm? Let's do a quick recap of all the key points we've discussed in this video. It's like the greatest hits album of blowing up on TikTok in 2024. First, we dug into the mysterious world of the TikTok algorithm. Understanding this beast is like cracking the code of TikTok success. Remember, the algorithm loves engagement. The more comments, shares, and likes, the better. It's also a fan of watch time, so keep your viewers hooked from the first second to the last. Next up, we talked about the importance of knowing your audience. Just like in any good relationship, the more you know about them, the better you can cater to their interests. So, ask yourself, what makes your audience tick? What are their likes, dislikes, and interests? The more you understand them, the more likely you are to create content that resonates. Then we plunged into the heart of the matter, creating engaging content. Remember the golden rules. Be original, be authentic, and be bold. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. After all, TikTok is a playground for creativity. We also explored the art of optimizing post timing. It's not just about what you post, but when you post. Timing is everything. Keep an eye on your analytics to find out when your audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. And finally, we dived into the world of boosting engagement. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and don't shy away from collaborations. Remember, the more engagement, the more the algorithm loves you. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to blowing up on TikTok in 2024. This journey may seem daunting, but remember, every TikTok star started somewhere. Stay consistent, stay creative, and remember to engage with your audience. TikTok success awaits you in 2024.